Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make bulgogi. Basically, this is Korean barbecue beef. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so what I've got in front of me here is half a kilo of thinly sliced beef strips. Now I've used rump for this. You can use ribeye, you can use chuck, whatever you like. So we're going to start by marinating this. So first thing we'll need is one brown onion. And all we want to do with our onion is thinly slice it. So we'll add our onion straight to our meat. Now we're also going to add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, about 4 crushed garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now what I've got here is an Asian pear. You can find these in most Asian supermarkets. If you can't find these, you can substitute with a normal pear or even a Fuji apple. So with our pear, we want to grate it. And you really only need about half of the pear. And we're going to add this straight into our meat as well. And we're just going to give this all a good mix together. And we want to make sure our meat's well covered with our marinade. So once it's well covered, we'll just cover our meat up with some cling wrap. Place it straight into the fridge. You want to let this marinate for at least 2 hours or even overnight. And then we can cook it. Alright guys, so I've left mine overnight. And as you can see, it's well marinated now. So we're going to go ahead and cook this. So we'll go to our stove. So guys, I'm just going to cook this on my flat plate here. If you don't have this option, use a barbecue or a wok or a frying pan. It's very important to cook on a high heat though. So we'll start by adding about 2 or 3 tablespoons of peanut oil. Once your oil is nice and hot, we'll add our meat straight on. Don't put it all at once. I'm going to do about 2 batches. And basically we just want to brown our meat until it's cooked and nice and tender. So once your meat has cooked all the way through, we'll take it off and just place it straight into a plate. And we'll continue cooking the rest of our meat. Alright guys, and there we have it ready to be served. Now we'll finish it off with some sesame seeds on top. And that's ready to go. Perfect with noodles, some rice, or just by itself is just perfect. I hope you like that guys. Please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.